If you ask yourself how to recharge your DJI drone, well, you probably have a USB connector at the back here. On this one, it's actually a USB-C connector. Most of the DJI drones should have a USB-C connector. So you can use any USB-C cable. It can be, well, that one, USB-C to USB-C, but it could also be a USB-C to USB-A. It doesn't matter as long as you can connect it to your drone. So just connect it. The other side, well, it can go directly into a wall socket. It can go to those kind of adapter. Well, actually for this one, I would need the USB-A. It can be this one. Really, it doesn't matter. Of course, if you got a stronger brick, it will be faster, but really it doesn't matter. But if you want one that is optimized for your drone, well, you can see the link in the description. After that, well, you connect that into the power, just like that, and should have an indicator somewhere on your drone. Actually, as you can see, it's just right here. This means that it's actually charging and it's about to reach 50%. So 25, 50, 75, and this is almost full. The battery will be full when the lights will be steady. So this is one way of recharging it, but my personal favorite option is to, well, not use the drone to recharge the battery. You can depend from a drone to another, but you can remove the battery from the drone and use a battery power pack to recharge it. So actually this one is made by DJI and I can fit 3 battery inside of it. And well, actually I can see the charge of it. So this one is full. I can press the button to see it. Full. Oh, between 25 and 50%, and this one is probably under 25%. So again, same principle. There's a USB-C connector on the side. Actually, this one does have a USB-A and a USB-C connector. The USB-A is actually made to recharge something else from those battery, and this one is made, see, in, out. So the USB-C is made to charge those one. So if I connect it, I will see a couple of lights. Actually, you see it was thinking and it did choose to recharge the battery that is the most full at the moment. It doesn't charge 3 battery at the same time. It charged the one that is at maximum capacity and it brings it to 100%. So the idea is that it pick the battery that is the most charged to bring it at full to have as quickly as possible a battery ready to fly full of energy. So when one will be done, it will start recharging another one and we would see the 4 LED on to say that it's ready. See if I put it back, it think what I'm doing and oh, I'm gonna charge that one until it's full. So that's the way it works. If you want an adapter to charge your battery, it varies from a drone to another, but I will leave link in the description if you want to order one. That's something that I really like to use because, well, it's simple to charge the battery. You don't have to leave your drone out. You can still use your drone while you're recharging it, and you can use it to charge it something else like your phone or really anything that have a USB-C connection or USB micro or whatever. So I hope this was helpful.